Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.1 on VMware Workstation. First, go to Kali official website, that is kali.org. Hit enter. Then click on download. Then click on installer images. Then see here we have the latest release, that is 2025.1. But if you want previous releases, you have to click on here. Okay, so scroll down, click on, if you want to download directly, you can click on download. See, its size is 4.1 gigabytes. If you want to download by using torrent link, you have to click on here. So download by direct link, go to here. See, its size is 4.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Either is fine. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file and click on browse and go to downloads directly. See here I have the Kali Linux 2025 ISO file. Open it. Click on next. Then select type as Linux or guest operating system type as Linux and version as Debian 12. 64-bit. Okay, then click on next. Then here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Kali 25.1 VM. Name can be anything. This is just name for the virtual machine. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. See, this is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse. Then select the path. Click on OK. Click on next. Then here we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Click on next. See, by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I want to increase it, so click on customize hardware. Then use this pointer up, or you can provide the memory in megabytes. Then close. Number of CPU equals 2. I am okay with these things. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or VM and select settings, or click on edit virtual machine settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine, or right click, then select power, then click on power on. Okay, so click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation of the Kali Linux 2025.1 on VMware Workstation. Close this one. Use up and down arrows, select the first one, that is graphical install, and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. Select your location from this list. If your country is not listed here, then click on other. Okay, so click on continue. Select keyboard language and click on continue. Here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Kali 25.1 VM. Later also you can change the host name. Then click on continue. Now if you have an existing domain, provide the domain name, or if you want to create, provide that. I don't have anything, so click on keep it as blank and click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So provide user full name. This is user full name, not the username, and this is a username. If you want to change, you can change. I am okay with the both same. Click on continue. Now set the password for this account. Confirm the same. Then click on continue. See, now we have to select the time zone. See here, it populated the time zones related to US because we have selected country as US. That's why it populated these time zones. But if you want to change the country, you have to click on go back and you can change. I'm okay with this. Okay, so select the time zone. I'm going with Eastern as time zone. Then click on continue. Next partition disk, I'm going with guided. Use anti-disk and continue. Select disk and continue. All files in one partition, continue. Finish partitioning and write changes to disks and continue. Write changes to disk, select yes and continue. Now here, see, by default it has selected XFC. This is the default desktop environment. But if you want Xenome or KD Plasma, you have to select these checkboxes. And also see here collection of tools and top 10 tools, top 10 most popular tools and default recommended tools. Okay, so I'm going with all defaults. So click on continue. See, now installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, install the grub bootloader, your primary drive. Select yes and click on continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation is complete. So it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Please choose continue to reboot. Okay. So before click on continue, go to virtual machine settings. Then CD DVD, unselect these both. Device status, select, don't select these, unselect them and click on OK. Then click on continue to reboot. Now provide username and password that we have created. Let me enter into full screen mode. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font, file, preferences, then click on this font, then click on change, then increase the font, click on OK, click on apply, then close this one. See, font has been increased. Let me increase this terminal size. Okay. Now click on these applications. See, here we have different applications like information gathering, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, reverse engineering, etc. options are there. In each folder we have the different applications. Okay. Social engineering tools. See, here we have the Multico, MSFC, set toolkit. Okay. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2025.1. Control L. If you want to verify the IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now update the packages. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, download size is 745 megabytes. This will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2025.1 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.